For the first part, these are the bricks you will need. So, get this 4x4 base peat, and then put your slanted piece on there. Then you should have a piece like this. Place that on. Now, use the 4 of these bricks and place them on here. Now then, put this piece on, the other side now. Put this piece and then this piece here. So far it's looking pretty good. Now you get this silver piece on there. And your first step is done. Okay, now then, your second step, you will need 2 of those mechanism pieces and 2 of all these. You need all these pieces in front. Wait, if you can see more. Okay, now then, you get these 2 pieces right there. Clip this on there like that. Put the next piece onto there. Put the yellow and the next yellow piece on like that. Okay, good. And then on the one side, you are gonna, on the top, you're gonna put these right here on like that. Do that twice. 1, 2. Good. Now, this part isn't that hard, but a lot of people think it is. So you get the first soda machine. It doesn't matter which way it is, just as long as you have them lined up. I'll show you what I mean by lined up. Okay, so you have it like that. And you hook. You should have 2 of these blue pieces. Hook them up to your colors. It doesn't matter what color this is. Just make sure it's the same color as that. Get the next one. Hook it up. Okay, now red with red there, blue with blue. Okay, now then, we'll put it in here. So, let's see if it works. Bingo. So, yeah. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. You want more Lego machines? Comment down below.